Garrett McMillan, company is Triad Wealth at the financial advisory firm in St. Louis, Missouri. So we got a lot accomplished. It's my second install event, and I brought someone with me this time, Adam Gimbel. He's an advisor in my office. And what we have accomplished is something tangible to take home, to follow up with all of my C clients, to follow up with past prospects. And we've developed Excel spreadsheets, we've developed a process, we've developed language to be able to take home action items from an actual tangible takeaways. The first time around, I was by myself. And so it's difficult sometimes to take things home because work gets in the way, other things come up, you've been gone for a few days. This time bringing someone with me, there's that accountability aspect. And it also has given us the ability at night, just even walking to the beach, having conversations about, okay, what have you taken away? What have I taken away? And then how do we work together moving forward? We need 5 meetings in the first 30 days. That's it. That's kind of my, hey, have we made it? If we made or scheduled 5 meetings, then we made it. And quite frankly, I don't see how we wouldn't do that based on the work that we put in. The compound effect, hopefully, is that I look at this, if we can get maybe 10 people scheduled within the first 60 days, 20 people scheduled within the first 90 days, and let's say that of those 20 people, we get 5 referrals. That will only continue to broaden the tree that is Triad Wealth and allow us to service more clients and hopefully bring on additional advisors to continue growing our business. I had a great time, so appreciate it.